Let's continue with number 10. Please pause the video, and when you're done, unpause the video to see how it's done. Here's one way to try number 10. This up here is 119 degrees, and that means this angle right here would also be 119 degrees because M and N are parallel. So corresponding angles would be the same size. Also, these two angles right here, the 119 and the 4x, they will be supplementary. They're a linear pair. So 4x plus 119 should equal 180. And finally, after doing the algebra, x equals 15.25. Please pause the video and try number 11. In number 11, you'll notice this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles and the lines are parallel. That means they will be congruent. So 6x minus 147 will equal x. It's a little strange, but I would subtract 6x. You're going to get negative 147 equals negative 5x, and then divide both sides by negative 5. The answer is x equals 29.4. All right, for the rest of the hour, will you please work on worksheet 2.1 to 2.3? We'll have a quiz tomorrow. We'll have some time to review before the quiz and go over questions. Good luck. Have a great day.